What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let me show you how to lock and unlock an app on iPhone. This feature of iPhone is available when you updated your iOS 18, so make sure that your device is running with the latest version. Now go over to your home screen and then navigate to the app that you want to lock. For example, let's try to lock the Steam app. Press and hold your finger on the Steam app until the pop-up menu appears. Next, select Require Face ID. Again, select the options Require Face ID. Now place your iPhone camera looking at you to scan your face to confirm. From there, the Steam app is now locked. To unlock the app, simply open it and then wait for your device to successfully scan your face, or you can choose to unlock it using your passcode. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.